Google has secretly revealed the pricing of its artificial intelligence-powered video generation model, VO2. Launched in December 2024, this AI video generation model has quickly grabbed global attention. As per Google's pricing page, the cost of using VO2 is 50 cents per second, meaning a VO2 generated video costs $30 per minute and up to $1,800 per hour. A renowned researcher at Google DeepMind, John Barron, made a comparison regarding the pricing. He compared it with the production budget of the globally acclaimed Marvel movie Avengers Endgame, which has a production budget of $356 million, which is equal to about $32,000 per second. While users may not utilize every second of the video generated by VO2, the platform's capabilities have limitations. The AI model isn't designed to produce lengthy, high production value content like a 3-hour blockbuster film. Instead, Google has highlighted VO2's strength in generating short, high-quality clips lasting 2 minutes or more, allowing users to quickly obtain engaging video content. Moreover, it should be noted that recently Google Gemini's rival OpenAI also launched its video generation model Sora, which requires ChatGPT Pro users to pay a monthly fee of $200 to access the service.